Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to integrate Perplexity AI into your project. Perplexity AI offers powerful tools and APIs that can enhance your applications with advanced capabilities. So let's get started. First, go to the Perplexity AI website at perplexity.ai and sign up for an API key. After signing up, you need to get on the bottom left corner, select the settings icon. Now select API in the top right corner and select Docs. This API key is essential for accessing Perplexity AI services from your project. Once you have your API key, open your project in your preferred development environment. The integration process will depend on the programming language and framework you are using. Next, incorporate the Perplexity AI API into your project. This typically involves setting up HTTP requests to the Perplexity AI endpoints, passing your API key for authentication, and sending the necessary data. Check out the Perplexity AI documentation for specific details on the available endpoints, request formats, and response handling. This documentation will guide you through the integration process and help you make the most of Perplexity AI's features. After setting up, test your integration thoroughly to ensure everything is working as expected. You should see how Perplexity AI enhances your application with its advanced capabilities. So that's it. Integrating Perplexity AI into your project can significantly boost its functionality and performance.